On March 2, 2025, a Falcon 9 booster caught fire and exploded post-landing, leading the Federal Aviation Administration to ground the fleet. This presentation delves into the incident's causes and SpaceX's swift return to flight. Falcon 9 launched 21 Starlink satellites successfully. At 85 seconds, a fuel leak occurred in booster B-1086. Despite this, the first stage landed on "Just read the instructions." The leak didn't ignite during ascent due to insufficient oxygen, but post-landing, a fire started in the engine compartment, contained by the design blowout of the barrel panel. Post-landing, a fire erupted in the engine compartment, blowing out the barrel panel as designed. This incident led the Federal Aviation Administration to temporarily ground the Falcon 9 fleet for investigation. The fire containment demonstrated the effectiveness of our safety design, ensuring the fire was limited to the engine compartment, preventing further damage. The fuel leak sprayed kerosene onto a hot engine component, creating a flammable condition. Lack of oxygen during ascent prevented ignition. Post-landing, enough oxygen was present to ignite the vaporized fuel, causing a fire. This highlights the importance of understanding environmental conditions during different flight phases to prevent similar incidents. A small oxygen leak in the upper stage during the Starlink 11-4 mission led to a thrust vector control line freezing, causing partial attitude control loss. Despite this, satellites were deployed correctly. However, the stage failed to deorbit, re-entering Earth's atmosphere over Poland. This highlights the need for enhanced detection and tighter abort limits. We've implemented additional checks to detect oxygen leaks on the second stage before launch. Abort limits are now stricter to catch potential leaks pre-liftoff. Importantly, Crew Dragon missions remain unaffected due to their shorter launch durations, ensuring continued safety and reliability in our operations. SpaceX completed the B-1086 Anomaly investigation by March 3, 2025. The Federal Aviation Administration approved our return to flight on March 4, 2025, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration's Launch Services Program independently verified our findings by March 8, 2025. This rapid approval process underscores the effectiveness of our corrective actions and collaborative review efforts with regulatory bodies. The booster's design effectively contained the fire within the engine compartment, showcasing robust safety systems. Despite component failures, mission objectives were achieved, highlighting Falcon 9's resilient design. The multi-layered review process between SpaceX, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the Federal Aviation Administration successfully identified and addressed issues, ensuring thorough resolution and reinforcing our commitment to safety and reliability. The Falcon 9's swift return to flight underscores SpaceX's dedication to safety and reliability. Our rapid problem resolution and adherence to an ambitious launch schedule reflect our commitment to excellence. As we move forward, we remain focused on ensuring thorough issue resolution and maintaining our high standards in aerospace operations.